Have you ever wondered what is a vowel? Have you ever wished that you need help to pronounce vowels in English accurately? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a vowel is and how to start and master vowel pronunciation. Here we go. In English language, and I'm sure you know, there are 5 vowel letters: A, E, I, O, U. But in terms of pronunciation, there are actually 25 vowel sounds. Now, a good vowel definition in terms of pronunciation is that the articulators hold the shape, but they don't actually touch. Now, just before I give you example, to be clear, the articulators are lips, tongue, soft and hard palate, and teeth. So, for example, the ah vowel sound, like in bath, sergeant, alarm. The tongue is low in the mouth, and the lips are relaxed, open, but nothing actually touches. Ah. With the E vowel sound, like in me, police, meeting. The tongue is forward and high in the front of the mouth. The lips are spread, but again, nothing actually touches. And now with the U vowel sound, like in shoe, who, move. The lips are rounded and the tongue is high, but actually nothing touches. The articulators just hold the shape. So the answer to your question, what is a vowel? Well, the good definition is that the vowels are made with the articulators, holding a shape, but actually not touching. So that's enough for vowel sounds. Next week, I'm gonna post a video about what a consonant is. If you like my video, please like, share, or subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Happy Classroom.